AI coding tools are evolving faster than we can keep up. Today, we're looking at 3 heavyweights: Cursor, Claude Code, and Google Antigravity. But instead of just listing features, let's talk about which tool fit your actual experience level and how combining them just might give you coding superpowers. If you are a new developer, your biggest hurdle is understanding the code base and learning syntax. For you, Cursor is the undisputed king because it's the full fork of VS Code. It feels familiar. With it compose a feature and multiply the thing, you can just describe what you want in plain English. Cursor guide you visually, show you exactly what is changing, and let you learn by osmosis. It's like having a patient senior developer sitting right next to you. Now if you are an experienced developer, you don't want the tool to hold your hand, you want it to get out of your way and execute. Enter the Claude Code, operating entirely from your command line. Claude Code is a terminal-based agent. It doesn't just suggest code, it navigates your directory, run your test suite, fix the broken test, and can even state your git commits. For seasoned devs who live in the terminal, the speed and agentic autonomy of Claude Code will make you feel like a 10x developer. But what if you are managing massive legacy systems, complex architectures, or enterprise codebase? That's where Antigravity comes in. Antigravity isn't just a chatbot, it's a deeply integrated system designed for large-scale code management. Its nature view coordinates a team of autonomous AI agents. While you plan the architecture, Antigravity handles massive refactoring across hundreds of files simultaneously, ensuring everything compiles and adheres to your system design. It's built for heavy lifting at scale. So, what is the perfect combination? If you want the ultimate workflow, use Cursor as your primary IDE layout for day-to-day visual coding, UI building, and deep focus work. Then keep Claude Code open in your integrated terminal to handle the mundane tasks, running tests, managing terminal command, and automating your good workflow on the fly. And if you are on an enterprise project, let Antigravity handle the macro-level repository management in the background. Which of the two are you using in your daily workflow? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more developer deep dives. Happy coding!